What's up, Fade family? So today we're gonna learn how to do a thunderbolt on someone's eyebrow. First, you need to look for a model with super thick eyebrows. This is gonna help you make some crispy lines and make the design stand out. Start off by shaping the eyebrow. That way when you actually start the design, you have a clean canvas. I was gonna start doing the design, but then I noticed that his eyebrows were still really long. So I grabbed the number 2 clip and made the hairs a little bit shorter. This is gonna make the design a little bit easier to carve in. Once you start carving the design with the razor, make sure to stretch the skin. That way you put a little bit of tension on the skin and the blade glides really smooth. Also, the hairs are thick, so if you're dry shaving, you have to really pull the skin, or else it's gonna be hard to slide the blade. Take it easy when you start using the trimmer, and put your blade at an angle because that blade is super sharp. You can nick them. To all my clients that let me do eyebrow designs on them, honestly, I appreciate you guys. I know this part hurts. The tweezers are gonna help you get into those small little areas that you can't get with the blade. It's gonna help you be way more precise. If you see long hairs that overlap that little corner, well, like any design, any sharp corner, is because the long hair is overlapping. So what we're gonna do is get the shears and cut the longer hairs. This is gonna make it way easier for you to go in with the tweezers. At the end, double check your work, make sure your lines are straight, everything is sharp. If you guys enjoyed this video and learned something, please smash the like button, leave a comment. I'll see you guys in the next one, Fade fam. Blah, 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 blah.